Your question is the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act is a special provision for the advancement of Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes which is based on which one of the following doctrines? Your options are A. Doctrine of severability, B. Doctrine of preferred position, C. Doctrine of protective discrimination, or D. Doctrine of harmonious construction. Right answer is C. Doctrine of protective discrimination. Your question is who is empowered for imposition and realization of a collective fine under SC and ST Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989? Your options are A. District Magistrate, B. State Government, C. Special Court, or D. High Court. Right answer is B. State Government. Your question is in a prosecution for an offence under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, the court can presume which of the following? Your options are A. Abetment, B. Common intention, C. Common object, or D. All of the above. Right answer is D. All of the above. Abetment, common intention, and common object. Your question is which of the following sections of the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Act 1989 provides for application of certain provisions of the Indian Penal Code? Your options are A. Section 12, B. Section 10, C. Section 6, or D. Section 8. Right answer is C. Section 6. Your question is under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 which of the following is barred? Your options are A. Anticipatory bail, B. Post arrest bail, C. Benefit of probation, or D. All of the above. Right answer is A. Anticipatory bail. Your question is under which of the following sections of the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Act 1989 is anticipatory bail prohibited? Your options are A. Section 16, B. Section 17, C. Section 18, or D. Section 19. Right answer is C. Section 18. Your question is an offence committed under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 shall be investigated by a police officer not below the rank of. Your options are A. Sub-Inspector, B. Inspector, C. Deputy Superintendent, or D. Superintendent. Right answer is C. Deputy Superintendent. Your question is a court of session is specified as a special court to try the offences under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act for the purpose of providing. Your options are A. Speedy trial, B. Time bound trial, C. Special protection of victims, or D. All of the above. Right answer is A. Speedy trial. Your question is which of the following parts is not provided to specified special court under Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act? Your options are A. Forfeiture of property of a convict for an offence, B. To authorize a person for extra investigation other than police, C. To remove a person from the area who is suspected of committing a crime, or D. Take measurement and photograph of a person who is suspected of committing a crime. Right answer is B. To authorize a person for extra investigation other than police. Your question is which of the following parts a special court cannot exercise under the Scheduled Castes and Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989? Your options are A. To remove a person, B. To forfeit the property, C. To take measurement of a person, or D. To impose collective fine. Right answer is D. To impose collective fine.